हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। गाइस, हम जा रहे हैं अपने फाइनली दिसंबर हॉलीडे ट्रिप पे एंड वी गोना बी देयर अंटिल न्यू ईयर, सो लेट द फन बिगिन।
Passport check. Everybody has passport.
Yes.
Ayansh, do you have? Then
Ayansh,
You will
are
be
you
staying
excited
there.
for the trip?
Marston excited, I'm excited, you're excited, everybody's excited.
And where are we going?
Jamaica!
Aruba, Jamaica. I am gonna take a
Ritu, are you happy?
Bermuda, Bahama. Oh, you pretty
पार्टी भी
mama.
जा रहे हैं हमारे साथ। Yes.
Kilago, Montego.
आज तो पापा एकदम आपका दिल्ली जैसा वेदर है यहाँ पे, फॉग।
Guys, look, I brought my skateboard. I'll show you some kick flips in the flight. How do you not know?
सो गाइज करंटली हम लोग आ गए हैं पार्क एंड फ्लाई, पियर्सन पार्क एंड फ्लाई पे। तो यहाँ पे हमने कार पार्क कर दिया है और यहाँ से अब हमें मिलेगी शटल फॉर पियर्सन एयरपोर्ट। सो लेट्स कैच द शटल एंड सी यू एट द एयरपोर्ट।
And let's say he falls like, oopsie, I tied him with this because he didn't want to be tied with this.
And look at that cute puppy.
Underneath the seat in front of you. Which indicates the safety features of this aircraft. Know if you have any questions or safety concerns. We do hope that you enjoy your flight. We're going to do this little song and dance.
So guys, we reached at Jamaica. Montego Bay. Yeah. So guys, इस हॉलीडे को और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए कनाडा की ठंडी ठंडी हवाओं से दूर हम आ गए हैं इस कैरेबियन आइलैंड पे। एंड वी विल बी स्टेइंग हियर एट ग्रैंड पैलेडियम इन Montego Bay. सो गाइज, आज है क्रिसमस और अंटिल न्यू ईयर यही हमारा घर होने वाला है फॉर दिस 1 वीक। Guys, we finally checked in and she's helping us to explain us about the resort, and here she is.
So, welcome to Grand Palladium. My name is Alethea.
I hope you enjoy this wonderful resort. I will introduce you the facilities of the resort. As I mentioned, all of you get your Wi-Fi connected, and I recommend you to download the app of Grand Palladium by scanning this QR that you have over here. Or otherwise, you can look for Grand Palladium app in the App Store or in the Play Store. Okay. First of all, I will talk to you about the food, about restaurants. Yes, we have a total of 10 restaurants around the property. 3 of them are buffets. They are located downstairs on the right. They are open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay?
Wonderful.
Breakfast time is from 7 to 11. Lunch time from 12 until 3:30, and dinner from 6 to 10. Apart of those buffets, we have 7 a la carte that they are mostly open for dinner. Okay? They are open also from 6 p.m. You need reservations for those ones. As you are a big group, I recommend you to do those reservations with our colleagues in the guest service desk up at the end. Okay. Apart of that, I remember that you are vegetarian, so I will give you a dietary card. And this you can present it in the restaurant, and don't forget to mention it when you do the reservation. Okay? My colleagues will ask you, but like this, we can try to give you a better service or give you more options in each restaurant. Okay?
And she said like we can ask them to prepare something for us.
Actually, a lot of us are vegetarians.
Yeah.
Not just her.
Perfect.
4 of
Good
us are
to know.
vegetarians.
So as soon as you make the reservation, let my colleagues know. Like this, they will make the remark in the reservation, and like this, the chef know that they are expecting vegetarian persons. Okay.
One more question.
Sure.
So Bugali, is that a la carte one or a buffet one?
A la carte one.
And is that open all day or just for the evening?
Only for dinner.
Only for dinner.
Yes.
6 to 10.
But you anywhere you have vegetarian options in each restaurant.
Got
Okay.
it.
Oh, in each restaurant?
Yes.
Okay.
And here in Jamaica, they like spicy food. As you
Oh,
like.
yeah.
So,
That's very
and
good.
also in the buffets, we have one day that is Indian.
Uh-huh.
So in the buffets at night, they have, I think it's on Saturday,
Okay.
we are preparing Indian food in the buffet as well.
Okay.
Okay. Delicious.
Yes. Saturday is which day? 30th or 31st?
Yeah. 30th.
30th.
Yeah.
That is good.
31st is on Sunday.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Apart of that, we have room service that is free and it's available from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. Okay, you can request food from the room. The menu is on the app.
Wonderful.
Also, we have a 22 hours restaurant that is downstairs on the left, and it's the sports bar. It's a kind of a snack bar. The only 2 hours that is not open is from 7 a.m. until 9 a.m.
Got it.
Okay, but at that time you have breakfast open.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart of that, we have 3 beaches on the resort. One here in the front, just in front of the infinity pool, which is our main pool. And also in there you have the activity center for the entertainment, okay? They are doing volleyball every day, dance lessons, things like that.
yeah.
We also have a kids club, which is downstairs before arriving to the buffets, okay? For
I
him
saw on your website you also have sunset yoga.
as well.
Okay, yeah.
For this, you can check the entertainment options on the app. Okay?
Yeah.
You have a schedule per day with the night activities, the kids activities, everything. We have fun everybody here. Okay?
Yeah, thank you so much.
One more question. So which restaurant do we have the Indian buffet in?
in the main buffet,
Main buffet.
the one that is open for dinner,
Got
they
it.
have 1 day a week Indian food.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can ask the hostess, but I think it's on Saturday, if I remember correctly. Okay.
Yeah.
Apart of that, we have an adults pool, which is located in that direction, and a beach pool, a beach adults beach, only adults beach. Okay, that is also in the middle. Is the one in the middle. Okay, the name is Coral Beach. If you like diving, there are very nice corals.
Very nice.
Apart of that, we have the last beach of the resort that is the largest. Okay, the name is Sunset Cove, where you can enjoy the best sunsets of the resort. And also, if you like to try the Jamaican food, here is very typical to eat jerk chicken. I don't know if you heard about that. So we have a jerk hut in the Sunset Cove, where is the best jerk chicken of the hotel. Okay. Apart of that, we have the spa and we have the gym. The spa, you can check the menus for the services they are offering on the app.
Yep.
And the gym is open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Perfect.
Don't forget to do a little bit of sport.
Yes.
Okay?
Do we have kayaks available?
kayaks. Yeah. Also, in Sunset Cove is where the water sport activity center is located.
Perfect.
So
Sunset
in
Cove.
there is the best option
Awesome.
for you if you would like to do some kayaks.
Yeah.
And what are the pool timings?
Until 6 o'clock,
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Okay,
Yeah.
after that.
And
None
she
of the
said
pools-
right now we can go have lunch. Meanwhile, they'll get the room prepared.
Exactly. After lunch, if I get the room earlier, I will send you an email. Otherwise, at 3, you can come and pick up the key, okay?
Perfect.
If you would like to get changed, to get ready to enjoy, here around the corner you have some changing rooms.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I wish you a great one. If you have more questions for me, is the moment now or when you come by?
No, that was very comprehensive.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
You're
so much.
welcome.
You have been very kind.
I hope you enjoy a lot, okay? And anything you need, the reception is 24 hours. And also, you can dial the reception from your room by dialing star 0.
Perfect. And when you said that we'll send an email, that will be on the default email ID, right?
So thank you very much. You are a lovely family.
Thank you very
Smiling
much.
family. Thank you for being so nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, let's go.
So guys, as you heard the check-in, we are going to the infinity pool first because it's hot.
So guys, we were about to go for lunch, but she just said that rooms are available. तो पहले हम रूम चलेंगे, but रूम में जाने से पहले मैं आपको स्नीक पीक दिखाती हूँ यहाँ से.
Hello, what's your name?
Marvel,
Oh,
welcome to Palladium.
Thank you. Please come in.
So you gotta go out.
And here comes the highlight, the view from our room. It was so nice. यहाँ का इतना वार्म टेम्परेचर देख के तो गाइस ऐसा फील हो रहा है ना कि हम किसी अलग ही दुनिया में आ गए हैं. वो जैकेट्स उतर गई है, सामने इतना वार्म वाटर, ओशियन और इतनी ग्रीनरी. इट रियली फील्स अमेजिंग, ब्लिसफुल. और ये बादल और पापा व्यू को एंजॉय करते हुए. गाइस, इससे पहले कि लंच टाइम ओवर हो जाए तो हम जल्दी से जाके लंच करते हैं और फिर जाएंगे पूल.
Even if we take away 3 points from the 15 points, there's still.
Okay, so we're back. The drone's following me. It's right there if you can see. I can't see you properly because I have these on. So I'll watch this video after my mom edits it. Well then, we will swim. Let's swim.
कितनी ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग है गाइस। सन थोड़ी सी देर में सेट होने वाला है और अभी वी एक्चुअली मेड मोस्ट ऑफ टुडे, वी ऑल एंजॉयड अ लॉट। तो अब हम जाएंगे, रेडी होएंगे और फिर डिनर के लिए मिलते हैं। देखो हाउ सेंटा क्लॉज कम्स थ्रू
Santa's being killed.
So Didi, what do you say about the food?
फूड इज़ वेरी गुड। ये सबसे बड़ा फ़र्क है जो मैं मतलब मुझे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ट्रैवलिंग में फूड का इशू होता है। आई ट्रैवल विद माई ओन फूड प्लान और यहाँ पे मेरे लिए फूड मिल पा रहा है तो मतलब हर किसी के लिए मिल सकता है क्योंकि मेरी जो डाइटरी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। अगर मुझे मिल सकता है तो सबको मिल सकता है। सो of course that's one good point about it.
And
the
how
only
available?
concern is, हाँ availability is a concern.
हाँ.
कि यहाँ पर बुकिंग का थोड़ा क्रंच है और अगर यहाँ पे इनके पास इतनी डिमांड है इंडियन फूड की तो इनको या तो इसकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ानी चाहिए
हाँ.
या फिर इनको मोर इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स इंट्रोड्यूस करने चाहिए।
Absolutely.
Although the staff is very good.
Yes.
Like जो इनके शेफ हैं even for the normal buffet restaurant they were asking very concentrate कि हम like क्या आपके लिए कुक कर दें and all to make special dish on request.
Right.
तो मुझे लगता है कि इनको मोर इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स मतलब लाने चाहिए।
बिल्कुल सही बात है। And what do you say about the servers?
They are very good.
Very
They are
polite.
very humble, very polite. Even their chefs, they are very considerate.
Yes.
And the ambience.
Yes.
Overall experience is amazing. I'm just
Absolutely.
loving it. Yeah.
Like during the buffet, they did not have much option for us. So the chef came and asked us what can they make
Yes,
for us.
yes.
They made pasta for us.
Yeah. Even in
Amazing.
the other restaurant. So when I took a Yansh for dine-in, so they made pav bhaji.
Yes.
Like the chef made it on special request in the Continental restaurant.
Absolutely.
So they are very, the staff is very humble, very nice.
Yes. And this was like completely booked until 31st.
Yes.
There was no booking available, but we went to the staff and we told them that we have all these restrictions.
Yeah.
So they did a lot of effort to
Yeah.
make arrangements for us, and they finally made a booking for us.
Yeah, just to clear that out. So this particular restaurant was booked until 31st for all dinners, right? But we still got the reservation on a special request. But that is only for today. We are still working out like how
Absolutely.
it happens, how it goes for
And
the
they're
other
working very
weekdays.
hard and diligently on that.
Yeah.
Indian food with Indian taste.
Indian
Yes.
food with Indian taste. That's
पापा,
what I'm saying.
आपको
And
सबसे बढ़िया क्या लगा?
छोले।
छोले? बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो। छोले भी
छोले-
बहुत अच्छे थे, छोले का सैलड भी बहुत अच्छा था, स्प्रिंग रोल भी बहुत अच्छे थे।
सैलेड भी बहुत बढ़िया था।
तो पापा आज
स्प्रिंग रोल भी बहुत बढ़िया थे।
आज यहाँ पे आपके साथ बैठ के ऐसा खाना खा रहे हैं हम सब लोग, धीरज जी, मैं, ऋतु। इट इज़ ट्रूली अ ब्लेसिंग। इट इज़ ट्रूली अ ब्लेसिंग।
और हम-
मतलब
और वो भी मतलब खाना भी खा रहे हैं और इंडियन टेस्ट का लुत्फ भी ले रहे हैं।
हाँ। ऋतु, हाउ डू यू लाइक द फूड?
I liked it. I like cucumber salad
हाँ हाँ
and it's not up to my spice level,
हाँ हाँ
but still as everyone is saying
Yes.
that at least we are getting Indian food.
Absolutely. Do you think we should get some chef from Indore?
Yeah, it's
Huh?
very good.
Yes. Absolutely.
नोनू को फिर भी हमारे साथ इंडियन खाना पड़ रहा है, वेजिटेरियन खाना पड़ रहा है।
धीरज जी, क्या कहते हो आप? ठीक है?
सही है।
अयान?
At the counter, at reception, they said it's spicy food.
हाँ.
I don't know what they mean.
It's spicy food, but spicy level is like 2 out of 5.
No, 0.5 out of 5.
और मैं भी 0.0005 आउट ऑफ 5।
तो गाइस इतना मस्त सा खाना खाने के बाद चाय तो बनती है, तो हम आए हैं ऊपर यहाँ इनके टेरेस कैफ़े में। आई हर्ड सम हिंदी म्यूज़िक, आई थिंक कुछ पार्टी चल रही है नीचे। तो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विल शेयर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस रिजॉर्ट। अंटिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।